Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Today's lesson is about prepositions of place. On, in, under. We can describe the position of an object by using prepositions like on, in, under to answer the question, where is it? Prepositions of place are words that tell you where something is located or positioned compared to something else. We will look at the position of an object in the following exercises. On, in, under. Let's begin. On. On is used to show that something is in a position above something else and touching it. Where is the ball? The ball is on the box. Let's take some more examples. The rat is on the box. The cat is on the chair. In. In means positioned inside or within the limits of something. Where is the ball? The ball is in the box. Let's take some more examples. The cat is in the jar. The rabbit is in the hat. Under. Under means in or to a position below or lower than something else, often so that one thing covers the other. Where is the ball? The ball is under the box. Let's take some more examples. The cat is under the chair. The boy is under the table. Let's review the prepositions we learned. Where is it? On, in, under. On. In. Under. Now that you know some prepositions of place, it's your turn to identify them. Let's do this. Where is the ball? On the box. Where is the ball? In the box. Where is the ball? Under the box. Where is the boy? Under the table. Where is the cat? In the bag. Where is the bear? On the table. Where is the sheep? In the box. Where is the bug? In the jar. Where is the dog? Under the table. Where is the rat? On the box. Let's read the words. In. On. Under. Good job! I hope you found these exercises useful. If you do, click like and subscribe to see new videos on our channel to help you improve your English. Have an awesome day!